Welcome to the Profits Cove video newsletter, packed with smart and innovative business building advice for the marine industry, and a little fun along the way.
This episode of the Profits Cove video newsletter is brought to you by Marine Marketing Strategies, the only business building and marketing book for the marine industry. This easy-to-digest book is jam-packed with smart marketing and business building advice, and you can save $10 when you invest in your copy today. Just use code word 10OFF to save $10 instantly. And if you're one of the next 5 to order, you will receive 2 special bonus gifts not available anywhere else. So visit www.marinemarketingstrategies.com today for your $10 savings. Be sure to hurry so you don't lose out on your special bonus gift.
Hey everybody, Matt Sellhorst, Boat Dealer Profits here with another Profits Cove. I'm here with Comanche, one of the world's fastest monohull sailboats in Newport, Rhode Island. They were in town for a race. I wanted to just show you the boat. I decided to come take a little bit closer look. This thing is amazing. You can see how high-tech everything is, whether you're into sailing or not. It is a beautiful, beautiful boat, and it is amazing up close and personal. But I'm talking to Wendy Mackey of the Rhode Island Boat Trade Association and the Marine Trade Association in Rhode Island, and she told me that this was on the card a couple of weeks ago, and it has a 30-foot keel. It's just under 100 foot for the class that they race in, but a 30-foot keel. What that does is it makes the boat more stable. And my question to you is, how stable is your boat business? Are you reliant on a single salesperson? Are you reliant on a single individual, maybe even yourself, to make your boat business successful? Or do you have systems in place? Do you have tools in place? Do you have a strategy in place that even if you lost somebody that was important, you lost a boat line that was important, you still had the structural system, that stability of that 30-foot keel to keep your business on track? It's something that so many businesses, especially in the boat business, are relying on that single owner, are relying on a top salesperson, are reliant on a single boat line for the success of the business. And I'm asking you, if you're relying on that one thing, that your business is very unstable. But when you have systems, when you have strategy, and when you have messaging and the tools needed, you can really make your boat business more stable. So I encourage you to check out the videos on 24/7 selling machines, the videos on social proof. Request my free report if you haven't already at boatdealerprofits.com. And you may even want to take advantage of a one-on-one strategy session where we can talk about your boat and maybe make you one of the world's best, like the Comanche. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.